Hello, students of class 7. Hope all are doing your revision now. In our previous class, we had revised chapter 2 atmosphere, its composition, usefulness of atmosphere. So today we are going to study structure of the atmosphere. So there are four major layers of the atmosphere of the earth. They are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere and thermosphere. So troposphere, it is the lowest and densest layer of the atmosphere. So it extends up to height of 16 kilometers over the equator. Okay, so from equator its height is 16 kilometers and from the pole it is 8 kilometers. So the average height of this layer is taken as 11 kilometers. About 80% of the total mass of the atmosphere is contained in this layer. Almost all dust particles and water vapors are contained in it. Thus, all weather phenomena occurs in this layer. Temperature in this layer falls with increasing height. So next we'll see the second layer, that is stratosphere. So it extends from an average altitude of 11 to 50 kilometers. So in this layer you can see ozone layer. So ozone layer, it protects our earth from UV rays, isn't it? So this layer, meteoroids entering the earth's atmosphere generally get burnt in this layer, and long distance aircrafts fly in the lower part of the stratosphere. Why? Because to take the advantage of the lack of air resistance. Okay, so here you can see in stratosphere ozone layer is there, as well as meteoroids while entering into atmosphere it gets burned, and long distance aircrafts are flying in the lower part of the stratosphere. Next we'll go to mesosphere. Mesosphere is the third layer of the atmosphere occurring between stratosphere and thermosphere. So it lies between 50 to 80 kilometers above the earth's surface. So in the mesosphere, temperature falls with elevation, and it is the coldest of the atmospheric layer. So in this layer also you can see meteoroids burning up while entering the earth's atmosphere. Okay. So next we'll go to thermosphere. Thermosphere is the fourth layer of atmosphere. It extends from 80 to 600 kilometer above the earth's surface. It is located highest above the earth's surface because there are relatively few molecules and atoms in the thermosphere. Even absorbing small amount of solar energy can significantly increase the air temperature, making it the hottest layer in the atmosphere. So here you can see mesosphere is the coldest layer and thermosphere is the hottest layer. So thermosphere can be divided into two parts, that is ionosphere and exosphere. Ionosphere, in this layer, reflects the radio signals back to the earth, thus making radio communications possible. And in the exosphere, it is the upper portion of the thermosphere. The atmosphere acts as a filter to the radiation, coming from the sun. As it is a upper portion, you can see exosphere is acting like a filter to the radiation. Okay, various gases allow the radiation from the sun to reach the earth surface in limited amounts, and the harmful radiation coming from the sun is not allowed to reach the earth's surface. Okay, so these are the four layers of atmosphere, that is stratosphere, first one is troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere. Okay, so in thermosphere we have ionosphere and exosphere. So students, today you revise structure of atmosphere thoroughly. Okay, thank you children.